So that's why yoga bodies look a little bit different. They look different because we integrate movements instead of isolate them. Good. All right, so one reason I bring the camera is because I always like to share something that I like to share to a wider community, so that's why I'm doing that today. And one of the things I'm going to share, I'm not going to name names, but she knows who she is. I'm looking at everybody. It's one of you guys in here, okay? But anyway, we went out to lunch, and she told me, she says, I used to go to the gym in my years, and I used to get up at 5 in the morning and go to the gym and do that kind of workout, right? But now she notices that her body is in better shape and she feels better in her body now that she's doing yoga. And this is my theory, and I believe it to be true, okay? I'll go to the grave believing this. And this is it. When you go to the gym, you are isolating and working on certain muscle groups. There's no doubt about it, right? You're doing the curls, you're doing your biceps, right? You're doing the push-ups, you're doing your arm muscles. You're doing the quad lifts, you're doing that. Yoga is integrating all those movements together, right? So when we're doing our, let's do our reaches. We're going to reach all the way across, doesn't matter what side, and we bring it all the way back behind us. Our Garth Brooks movement. Look at how many different muscle groups we're working here, right? Let's reach again, the other side, you guys. We've got shoulders going on. We've got, the core and the back going on. So all of those integrated movements are so important, and that's what makes our bodies look and feel a lot better because everything is interconnected. Now, I know all of you have heard, maybe you don't know, but I am going to be gone for a week in the first week of January to go to Boulder, Colorado. I'm going to be gone for a week in January at the beginning to Boulder, Colorado to do a fascial dissection. Yes, we're going to have dead bodies. And we're going to be mostly looking at the fascial system, the fascia. And what they say, and this is true, I know I'm going to see this on that table, is that your calf muscle is completely attached and turns into your Achilles tendon, which is completely attached and turns into your plantar fascia. All of that is one piece. It's not broken up into separate things, right? So everybody, let's do the pony. The pony is one of the best things for the plantar fascia, the Achilles, and the calf, all integrated together. So that's why yoga bodies look a little bit different. They look different because we integrate movements instead of isolate them. Good. You're going to be behind the chair, but you're going to go a little straddled, okay? So I'm going to mirror you, and it's going to be your left foot is going to turn so that it's parallel to the back of the chair. And the right heel then pivots about 45 degrees. Now you're going to turn your whole body, so that means you're going to take your left arm and you're going to take it out in front of you. So now you are facing towards that left knee. Bend your left knee, same idea, make sure you see your big toe. Turn your left palm up. Good, this is the Qigong version. You guys have done this with me before. We're going to bring that left palm up to the ceiling, but we're going to rock back on that left heel. The knee is straight. Let me see everybody, good. Holding on to the chair. Good. Now bend that front knee. We're going to swoop the arm inside, and we're going to take it back behind us. Good. That knee is bent. Good. Then we're going to come back up. We're going to straighten that knee. Heels down, toes are up. We're going to look up, and then we're going to exhale and swish. Good. 2 more with the breath. Here we go. Inhale. Let me hear you swish. And 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Let's lock it in for strength. So bend that front knee, bring that the left arm out in front with the palm down this time. If you can, take that back hand and put it on your hip. Good. And if you can, lift that back arm all the way straight behind you. Perfect. You are now in Warrior 2. I snuck that in. I tricked you. Good. Then bring both hands to the chair, and we're going to just pivot the other way. So we're going to take that left foot, pivot it in, because that right foot is now going to be parallel to the back of the chair, right? So now the right arm is going to reach out in front. You are totally facing all the way straight along those fingers. Bend that knee and then turn the right palm up. Good. Here we go. We're going to inhale, reach it up, straighten the leg. The heel is down, the toes are up. Good. Exhale, we're going to swish. Here we go. 3 like that. So inhale, lift up. Exhale. Good. And 2 more. Inhale, lift. Exhale. Great exhales, everybody. 1 last time. Inhale up and exhale. Lock it in with that traditional Warrior 2. So the front knee is bent, the right arm is straight, palm is down, Left hand to your hip, just to get your balance, okay? If that's feeling good, see if you can extend that left arm out. Good. We're looking good. Yay, you got it. Good, then bring your hands down to the chair, and then a little heel toe will walk it. And then a march it.